Our sun is a furnace of fire and plasma, but a strange phenomenon occurs in its super-hot atmosphere: coronal rain. This is not water, but superheated plasma that cools and falls back to the surface. For years, scientists couldn't figure out the exact mechanisms driving this bizarre weather. New high-resolution observations from the Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, finally captured the full cycle in detail. Plasma, heated to over 1,000,000 degrees, is pushed up into gigantic magnetic loops, where it rapidly cools down and condenses. The sheer weight of this cooling plasma then makes it crash back to the sun's surface at speeds up to 100,000 miles per hour. Understanding this rain is crucial because it helps us decode the sun's massive energy balance. These dynamics drive the solar wind, which impacts space weather around Earth. It's a fiery weather system on a scale we can barely imagine, and we're just now learning to read its forecast.